Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restart your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Okay, but before we begin, before I show you the methods, why is it even worth to restart our device? Let's say that we have some problems, for example, with our device, such as unresponsive screen. The phone gets frozen from time to time, and the apps doesn't want to launch, or it's taking really long before that app opens. That's when a reboot can help. So to perform the restart, we have two methods. We have the simple reboot from the power menu and also the forced restart. To perform a reboot using the power menu, all we need to do is to hold the power button and volume down button. This method is recommended when the screen is responsive. As you can see, when we have held the power button and volume down button for around 1 second, the power menu launched. Now all we need to do is to tap on the restart. Now tap again. After that, our screen will be turned off. Same thing with our phone, and after a few seconds it will be turned on automatically. When it comes to the second method, it's called the forced restart. It's recommended when the screen is unresponsive or when the whole phone is lagged. So to perform the forced restart, again we need to use the power button and volume down button, but this time we need to keep holding them both until the phone turns off completely. So keep holding both of the buttons, and let's hold and wait. Okay, when the screen turns off, let's hold for around 1 second, and when the Samsung logo appears, we can release our fingers. Also, performing a reboot or the restart regularly, for example once a week, it's completely fine, and it's even good for our device performance. Also, performing a reboot or the restart does that our RAM gets freed up, our phone rests, and that is why our phone might start working a little bit better. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.